TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from the shores of very pleasant Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 11 a.m. update, and we begin our day with a sea of red. All the U.S. indices that we track, they're trading to the downside. You've got the Dow down 31 points, basically flat, still down 7 points for the S&P, about 0.1%, 0.3 for the NASDAQ, 71-point move there, 0.6 for the Russell, about 15 points, 100 points for the trannies, 0.6 there, 1% for the semis, that's off 49 points out there. You've got gold that's trading down $55. That's a 2% move. Big move there. Silver down $1.37, 4% for it. Light sweet crude is off $1. That's 1 3/10%. Natural gas, the only thing that is pretty much green on my charts out here, up 4 pennies, trading out at $3.42. 30-year Treasury is off about a half a point at 117.23. 2 ticks to the downside for the 10-year note. That's at 110.19. Let's figure out what all that means by looking at that 9-panel market update chart. The ES Mini still has its TD9 count top, with price simply consolidating with inside it. So nothing broken there. If we take a look at the spot VIX, we're actually trading just below yesterday's low. That's a bullish signal for the S&P 500. We haven't looked at the intraday charts, but it does say be careful to the downside. If we take a look at the NQ yesterday negated its sell, the D point or TD9 count top, whichever top it had out there. I don't recall off the top of my head, but it was negated. Price remains right now above the top of its profile. Top of that profile is 21,706 and a quarter. As long as price closes above that, we're likely to head higher. If we take a look at the U.S. dollar index, has had a nice rally, but right up into potential resistance, which is the top of that daily profile, and that's at the level of 106.99. Gold, as we said, was back $55, but what it did yesterday was actually triggered an AB equals CD to the upside with initial price target of 28.12. That'll remain in effect unless price closes below 20 or ticks below 26.2970. Silver is forming a new daily profile. Seems pretty solid. It could form a TD9 count pattern. So we'll take a look at that during the Trader's Edge show. Support those at 31.61. We take a look at light sweet crude, again trading in between basically rising trend line and some descending trend line resistance levels. We can see how that has responded. Natural gas, as we said, one of the few things that are trading to the upside. It is trading above the center of its profile. That's at 337. Odds favor move up to the 363 level. And the 30-year Treasury right now, this is the March 2025 contract, is testing support. 117.22. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show. But if you have to start your Thursday, have a terrific one. Thanks for joining us, and we'll look forward to speaking with you again soon. Take care now.